Hello po. Showing you now is the tobacco plant that was planted last November 22, 2020. This burley tobacco, the variety of this burley tobacco is burley CN70. We are showing you this video to give you some idea and some help to let you produce a tobacco, especially this burley variety like this. This video will help tobacco farmers, who are planning to plant tobacco. This video will also give an idea on how to produce more leaves, bigger leaves, and heavier leaves. Our channel welcomes review of plants, seeds, equipment, tools, herbicide, and insecticide. This tobacco, we would like to tell you that we are showing this tobacco to let you know the effect of Anaa and power grower to the tobacco plant. Normal burley tobacco is not like this, but this one was already applied or sprayed with Anaa and power grower twice. So as you can see, the leaves is wider and longer, and it is not normal to burley tobacco. This burley tobacco with the variety of this tobacco is burley, the CN70. It is capable of yielding 30 up leaves, and the fertilizer that they applied to this tobacco is the 10-18-24 or 10 the contents complete fertilizer 10-18-24, 10 nitrogen, 18 phosphorus, and 24 potassium. And aside from that, they also applied it with urea. That 10-18-24 is applied I think basal or immediately after planting it, then they back up it with urea. So the height of tobacco is about not all, but the average height of tobacco is 6 feet. Some are flowering. Some of the plant they have already removed the flower. So if your tobacco is not like this and you want to imitate, you want to raise a tobacco, produce a tobacco like this, you can use the Anaa and power grower to have your tobacco bigger, wider, and heavier leaves. They sprayed it also with the Delta King to protect it from insects. So we will show you the under of tobacco here. So the distance of tobacco is approximately a 1 foot rule, and between it's about 70 centimeter, 70 to 80 centimeter. The fact that they sprayed it with Anaa, it helps the smaller one catch up So as you can see, there are only small that turns not normally, but the Anaa and Power Grower has done a lot to this tobacco to grow and become bigger. Let's enter the tobacco. So outside and inside, you can see same situation, longer and wider leaves. This is about this is more than 2 feet. Maybe this is 30 inches, and the wide of these leaves is about 14 to 16 inch. So almost that was average. So this is the unusual, a very good effect of Anaa and Power Grower to tobacco. So it's very tall. The average yield of this one is 30 leaves up. It was already harvested with the leaves of this tobacco was already harvested twice. So the leaves that was already removed, I think let's all count it, approximate 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 leaves that was already removed from this plant, and it's only half. So it's accurate that it can give 30 leaves up. So that was the number of leaves that a single plant of tobacco can give, especially this burley CN70, and that is guaranteed if you will going to spray Anaa and Power Grower. So those of you who can watch this video and your tobacco is still growing, the time that proper that is proper for you to use Power Grower and Anaa is at 15 days and 30 days. You must spray it with Anaa and Power Grower, so that you can achieve this same situation like the planter of this tobacco had achieved. I gave him a bottle of Anaa and a pouch of Power Grower, so he used it in his plant, and this is the outcome. You can see the leaves is also very good. There are no insects because it is often sprayed with Delta King. Delta King is the insect specialist. They kill all kinds of insects. I cannot see aphids here in this tobacco, and I cannot see insects because it's open and regularly sprayed with Delta King. So there you are, farmers who are planting tobacco. You can also do the same like what the planter of this tobacco have done. The fertilizer he used was urea and the 10-18-2-4. Anyway, the seedling of this, he bought the seedling of this in the registered seedling producer. The seedling of this tobacco was raised in a seedling tray, then transplant it. So he invested in seedlings, but at the outcome of what he had done, he will going to have much profit from this, because the leaves are long and wide, and the plant is also tall. I am here in the portion or the area where the plants are. The plant's height is more than 6 feet. So I hope that this video can help you, give you an idea on how to uh, raise, uh, produce bigger, longer, and wider, heavier leaves of tobacco. Thank you for always coming back to our channel. Welcome the new viewer, new subscriber. Welcome to our channel. I hope that our videos help you become better farmer. Our videos help you earn or produce more harvest, so that you will going also to have more profit. God bless everyone.